Welcome to Abidarian channel where simple food is made with care, love and honesty. Bachelor's show time. Welcome back to Kerala's cooking season. Today, we're diving into a true Malayali favorite, and honestly, one of my all-time favorites too. Kappa. Also known as tapioca. We're going to make it the authentic, home-style way, just like it's done in every Kerala kitchen. Let's get started. For the perfect snacks, here's what you need for Kappa. Raw tapioca, peeled and cut into chunks. Turmeric powder, just a pinch while boiling. Salt, added during cooking. Water, enough to boil until soft. And for optional tempering, coconut oil, for that rich Kerala aroma. Mustard seeds, to start the crackle. Curry leaves, always fresh. Dried red chilies, broken for heat. Grated coconut, lightly sautéed for extra flavor. Let us cook the food with love and joy on this weekend. This is one of the main food in Kerala's kitchen. Step 1. Cleaning the Kappa. Let's begin by peeling the thick skin off the tapioca. Once peeled, wash it thoroughly in running water to remove all the starch and dirt. Step 2. Now cut the cleaned Kappa into medium-sized chunks. Not too small, not too big, perfect for even boiling. Add the Kappa pieces into a large pot. Pour enough water to fully cover them. Add a pinch of salt and a bit of turmeric. Let this come to a boil, and then discard this water. This step helps remove any bitterness. Step 4. Now fill the pot again with fresh water. Let the Kappa boil until it turns soft and can be easily mashed with a spoon. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. Once the Kappa is soft and fully cooked, strain out the water. Keep the Kappa aside. It's ready for tempering. Step 6. For added Kerala-style flavor, heat some coconut oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, dried red chilies, curry leaves, and a bit of grated coconut. Let it crackle, then pour this tempering over the boiled Kappa and mix well. Final step, Step 7, that's it. Your soft and flavorful Kerala-style Kappa is ready to serve. Pair it with spicy chutney or pair it with spicy mean curry for the perfect combo. Next week we will show you how to make perfect Kerala-style mean fish curry that will make mouth-watering to everyone. Be ready to subscribe and click on the bell to notify you. Have a great weekend. Please support Abidarian channel for more food ideas.